Choosing the roof for the Ahoghill Church in Ireland posed many challenges. The roof's pitch is just 20 degrees over extremely long spans. The high trees, heavy rainfall and strong winds make it imperative that it be totally weatherproof. Kingspan and Nulok were chosen for the task. Kingspan has revolutionized roof construction by replacing the wooden joists and purlins with steel. The KS1000TS support panels are screwed into place both to insulate and waterproof the interior, providing the perfect base for the Nulok installation system, where a grid of metal battens and channels lock the single slates tightly in place, row after row, further waterproofing the roof. The result is a 1,285 square metre thermally insulated capsule inside a beautifully contoured slate roof built to withstand the elements for years to come. Kingspan and Nulok, a strong partnership into the future.